Five things I wish I knew before starting my paint business. Yes, just like Margarita, I was once failed paint badge away from quitting. She had tried everything, YouTube tutorials, expensive seminar, trials and error, but nothing worked. Paint came out watery, customers complained, her confidence was crushed. She almost gave up until she discovered what I'm about to share in this video. And today, Margarita runs a six-figure paint business and supplies developers across her country. What changed? She stopped doing it the hard way and started doing it the smart way. So now, in this brutally honest video, I will share five things I wish someone had told me before I ever started my paint business. These are real lessons that would have saved me time, money, and heartbreak. So if you have started and feel stuck or haven't even begun, this video is your shortcut. So watch to the end. This last tip is the one that changed everything for me. So now, lesson number one. I used to think paint production was just about mixing some chemicals together, but here's the truth. Paint is chemistry. If you don't know the ratio, the temperature, and the timing, you are burning money. Yes, stop copying formula blindly. Understand why each chemical is there. That's the only way to master it. Lesson two. I wasted months perfecting formula, but nobody was buying. Why? My packaging and branding were terrible. Customers couldn't trust me. Your product must look premium before it feels premium. People buy what they can trust with their eyes first. Lesson number three. I thought I needed a factory to start. Big machine, a massive shop, but my first 50 liters of paint were made in my compound backyard. Yes, you heard right. Start small, focus on quality, let result bring the money, not the other way round. Lesson number four. Most beginners only learn emotion or top bond or other type of paint. But real money is it in understanding 5 to 10 paint type, from satin to sleek, matte to marine, and so forth. The wider your skill, the more clients you attract. Learn variety and you will never lack demand. Lesson number five. I wasted 8 months watching free videos, attending half baked training, but nothing clicked until I got the perfect training who showed me exactly what to do step by step. And remember, I had a mentor before. So you don't need more information, you need direction. Someone to hold your hand and say, do this, avoid that. So now that you have seen what I wish I knew, here is your chance to skip years of mistake. And that is why you can have a free clarity call section where one, you identify your current method, what isn't working well for you. Two, create a personalized roadmap for your production and business. Three, show you how to master paint production and make sale faster. Click the link in the description below to book your free clarity call section. It is time to stop guessing and start winning. Also, you can watch our free videos on how to start a successful, lucrative paint manufacturing business from wherever you are in the world. And you can join our free paintpreneur community. The links are going to be in description. Everyone starts somewhere, but only those who start smart grow fast. You have got the passion. So let me help you build the skills. So thank you for coming today and watching. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Until next time, see you in our next video. Bye for now.